Hello everyone, my name is Clara from Indonesia, and I'm going to present about the influence of teachers' competencies on students' higher order thinking skill ability. Since independence in 1945, Indonesia has made various efforts to create a comfortable learning climate and be able to compete in the international world. The assessment of the mathematics learning quality of Indonesian students is tested internationally through the Program for International Student Assessment PISA, organized by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD). The types of questions presented in the National Assessment of Numeracy and PISA aspect are questions of the higher order thinking skill HOTS type. In Bloom's taxonomy, the cognitive HOTS domains that are tested are analyzing, evaluating, and creating. In 2018, Indonesia took part at the PISA event and achieved a numeration score of 379. Yuri Belvali, director of OECD, stated that Indonesian students are good at finding information, evaluating, and reflecting on information, but weak in understanding information. Yuri also said that teachers in Indonesia are classified as having high enthusiasm. The enthusiasm of Indonesian teachers is the fourth highest after Albania, Kosovo, and Korea. However, most teachers still do not understand the needs of each individual student. Based on this statement, there is a belief in me that Indonesia will be able to improve the quality standard of education. Therefore, I try to conduct research on the influence of competence of secondary mathematics teacher on student HOTS abilities. Based on Law number 14 of 2005 concerning teachers and lecturers, teachers' competencies include pedagogy competence, personality competence, social competence, and professional competence obtained through professional education. In this study, the influence of mathematics teacher competencies on students' higher order thinking skill ability in Cimahi City will be analyzed. Based on the explanation above, it can be described some research hypotheses as follows. There is a direct influence of mathematics teacher pedagogical competence, personality competence, social competence, professional competence on secondary school students' higher order thinking skills ability in Cimahi in academic year 2021-2022. This research uses a quantitative approach with descriptive correlational method. The population in this study were all secondary school mathematics teachers in Cimahi City with a total of 145 people. While the sample follows the maximum likelihood estimation technique is 100 samples. Data analysis was performed by using path analysis. The assessment instrument is presented in the form of a semantic differential scale questionnaire with the aim of objectively measuring the semantic properties of words or concepts in three-dimensional semantic space, and as an attitude scale from 0 until 10 that focuses on the affective or evaluative dimensions compiled to describe the competence of teachers and students' HOTS abilities from the teacher's perspective. SAM, Structural Equation Modeling, is an analytical tool to test the hypothesis used in this study. Results and discussion. First one, normality test. In this study, the value obtained is 2.128 because the value is between negative 2.58 to positive 2.58. It can be concluded that the data is normally distributed. Second, linearity test. Outliers are observation or data that have unique characteristics that look very different from other data and appear in the form of extreme values. Detection is carried out by multivariate outliers by taking into account the values of the Mahalanobis distance. Based on the process output, the highest Mahalanobis distance value is 41.118. Because the value is lower than X-squared table, 55.476, it means that there are no outliers. Third one, multicollinearity test. From the results of the data processing, the determinants of the sample covariance matrix is 0.00000013636328. From the results of data processing, it can be seen that the determinant of the sample covariance matrix is not close enough to 0. This indicates that there is no multicollinearity problem. About validity and reliability. First one, about validity result. The measurement of the validity of the research construct can be seen from the value of the loading factor. The loading factor used in the validity test of this study is 0.5. Based on the table above, each indicator in the table has a standardized loading estimate value greater than 0.5. So it can be concluded that each indicator is valid and has a good convergence. Measurement of reliability in the study using construct reliability. Based on the table above, the CR value obtained is over 0.7, then it is reliable. The goodness of fit model test. Based on the analysis conducted, it can be seen the result of the output of the goodness of fit test as follows. The goodness of fit assessment for the above model is shown in the following table. Based on the table, it can be seen that the result of goodness of fit show that there are 5 criteria that show good fit results. And there are 3 criteria that show marginal fit results. Hypothesis test. After the same model fit done, hypothesis testing is done by observing the value of critical ratio contained in the Amos table regression rate output as follows. Based on the research, we found that first one, the critical ratio value of pedagogy competence is 3.374. This value is greater than the critical value. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is a positive and significant influence of pedagogy competence on students' higher order thinking skills ability. Second, the critical ratio value of personality competence is 0.635. This value is smaller than the critical value. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is a positive influence, but not significant, on personality competence on students' higher order thinking skills ability. Third one, the critical ratio of social competence is 2.777. This value is greater than the critical value. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is a positive and significant value of social competence on students' higher order thinking skills ability. Fourth, the critical value of professional competence is 3.734. This value is greater than the critical value. Therefore, it can be concluded that there is a positive and significant influence of professional competence on students' higher order thinking skills ability. Based on the results of PET analysis, the R-squared value obtained is 0.604. This means that the teacher's competencies have an influence of 60.5% on students' higher order thinking skills ability, while the error variable of 0.396 indicates that students' HOTS ability is influenced by other factors not examined in this study, amounting to 39.6%. Based on the results of the correlation analysis and discussion, it can be concluded a conclusion. The mathematics teacher competencies have an influence of 60.5% on students' higher order thinking skills ability, while the error variable is 0.396 indicates that students' higher order thinking skill ability is influenced by other factors not examined in the study, amounting to 39.6%. Variables pedagogic competence, social competence, and professional competence have a significant positive effect on students' higher order thinking skill ability, while personality competence has a less significant positive effect on students' higher order thinking skill ability. To improve student higher order thinking skill ability, teachers must improve their competence. There are many ways that teachers can do to improve these competencies. For example, by participating in deliberation subject teachers or MGMP, seminars, education and training, which purpose is to improve teachers' competencies with the aim of achieving or optimally contributing to students' higher order thinking skills ability. Thank you.